I've been looking forward to this time all year. There are so many good boys and girls this year. I will have a busy night filling all those stockings. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, with shout and with claws playing. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls.